As Jim Moret tells us in this exclusive report, he may have also put an unwanted light on some criminal incidents from his past.
Miley Cyrus! It's the VMA moment everyone is still talking about, when Miley Cyrus sent this young man to the stage to accept her big award.
My name is Jesse, and I am accepting this award on behalf of the 1.6 million runaways and homeless youth.
His speech left Miley in tears and raised awareness about the plight of the homeless. But it's now also turning the spotlight on the guy himself. His full name is Jesse Heldt, and these are his mugshots. Turns out he's wanted for a probation violation. Court documents obtained by Inside Edition reveal this 22-year-old was arrested in 2010 in Salem, Oregon, charged with attempted burglary. He pled guilty to a reduced charge of criminal trespassing and was put on probation, which he allegedly violated by failing to take a drug test, using marijuana, and not completing community service. He still has an outstanding warrant, an Oregon court clerk told Inside Edition. Jesse flew to Oregon on Monday night. Sheriff's office. We were there as cops knocked at the door at Jesse's mother's house in Salem, Oregon today, saying they wanted to speak with him. She told them he wasn't there.
I know, he's not here.
Jesse Heldt moved to L.A. to start a modeling career. He submitted his photos to the Model Mayhem website. It was a struggle to find work, and his mother confirms he once called her and said, "Mom, I'm living in a bush."
I've survived in shelters all over the city.
Then fate intervened. He met Miley Cyrus last week at the L.A. shelter called My Friend's Place. Next thing he knows, she takes him to Sunday night's VMA Awards. Jesse's heartfelt address touched millions, and Miley couldn't stop gushing about it on Ryan Seacrest's radio shows.
He's the bravest, coolest dude ever. Whatever Jesse wants to do with his life, I want to make sure he's able to do.
Now comes the revelation that he has an outstanding arrest warrant. The question is, will his future be tainted by his past?